Aiden, hey, do you like your new toy?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, what are you gonna build?
Hey,
That's a hammer.
big.
Yeah, what are you gonna build?
Give it.
Okay, go ahead. What? That's too loud, huh? Can you turn that off and use the saw? Turn that off. Alright, now use the saw. Use the saw. Nope, that's a hammer. This is the saw right here. Gotta hold it up so it spins. Well, yeah, you wouldn't do that. That's really dangerous. Oh, if there you go. Yeah.
Go.
Wow.
Go.
All right, say bye.